how to quit eating meat. So many of us are at the stage that really want to quit eating meat, at the same time deeply addicted to the taste of it. It is so addictive because of the fat it includes, which is highly addictive to our brain to cause dopamine and the natural opioid. In that sense, quit eating meat is very similar to quit smoking cigarette. As a person who used to smoke 4 packs of cigarettes a day told once he didn't smoke cigarettes for 3 days, he felt like he didn't understand why he was so strongly addicted to that unhealthy habit, which made him feel sick and dirty inside every day. There are 5 steps to quit eating this addictive meat. 1. You choose one day and eat too much meat till very late of the day. 2. You get up very late and making it a half day so that you wouldn't feel the craving still taking over the feeling of eating too much meat the night before. 3. On day 2 and day 3, instead of eating meat, you eat a lot of sweets and drink a lot of soda pops or beer. And 4. You finally came to the stage that you eat man-made meats and only fish, which is not so addictive due to its low fat. And step 5. You will learn to recognize that you feel much healthier and thus better, and find new joy and excitement in your new lifestyle. As a person who was so deeply addicted to meth found and experienced joy and excitement diving with dolphins to feel united with the nature, which was way better than being sick with methamphetamine.